Whoa! Something massive just grabbed the hook.
I'm at Ship Creek in downtown Anchorage.
You think they'll move over there?
I don't know. Hello guys, trying to fix something. The Kenai is even slower than Ship Creek is, bro. My brother was down there all weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. He found fish, but the first day to get his 6, it took him like 4 hours. The second day to get his 6, it took him 5 and some change. Yeah, and today he didn't. I think he got 2. He said.
Thank you. Your gripper?
Yeah. Thank you for the follow. Yes, I'm in Alaska. Good cast. Yeah, I mean, if you could search online, Kenai River red count. Not many fish down there right now. Oh crap! Oh yeah, I didn't want to catch her line, so I just let my bail keep going. This little 7.6 St. Croix Mojo. Dude, I just cast across the whole river.
Whoa! Something massive just grabbed the hook. It's huge. It's a heavy 10 kilogram gulfum.